us such a great opportunity to express our views and thoughts on the topic career planning. This is Vinita Mehta of Standard 10th B of Sacred Heart School, providing you a clear vision of career planning. Career is one of the most important part of our life. So, why should it plan his or her career, keeping certain things in his mind? So, let's understand our topic through a conversation of five friends. But before that, it is necessary to understand certain aspects such as self-assessment, career exploration, decision making, and taking action.
If we are talking about career selection, then self assessment is one of the most important aspects in choosing one's career. It includes identifying a particular career, keeping in view your values, interests, and skills. Self assessment helps you to find out more about what you want from your work. Your goal must be to find out the roles that match with as many of your personal attributes as possible. You should invite suggestions, but in the end, you should take your own decision after evaluating yourself in the light of a particular career.
Decision taking is must for each and every individual. It is well known to us that deciding our career is one of the most important steps in one's life. Career planning is an ongoing process which can help us improve our learning and development. Nowadays in our country, very few among the youth can say with any amount of determination what career they are going to choose. The main factors for choosing our career are our interest, dedication, devotion and caliber. In short, we should always remember to stay determined. We can easily achieve our goal if we set our mind to it. People usually distract themselves easily, but we must not do so and be focused on our career path to achieve our goals efficiently.
Taking action is the final stage of career planning. It is one of the most important aspects of one's life as it plays a major role in directing the future of students. This is where you implement your plan. Taking action doesn't take anything except for your desire and willingness to go ahead and do something. It includes all the basic necessary steps that are needed to reach to the goal. It enables us to focus on our thoughts and ideas into series of steps to achieve career objectives within a realistic time scale.
Now, we will represent it through an app. So let's see.
Oh, this activity has just taken up my mind. What to do I am unable to understand. Let me talk to Mathli.
Hello?
Hello friend. Do you remember our teacher has given us an activity to perform? Topic namely career selection. Have you decided anything? Any plans?
No, I haven't decided yet. I'm still confused what to do. Let's ask from other group members.
What's the matter? Why are you calling me now? Hello.
Hello guys, have you come up with any plans regarding the activity which the teacher has given us?
Regarding this activity, no plans. I'm yet deciding.
Yes, same is the case here. And the fact that teacher has given us so many options, such as acting, drawing, presentation, etc., is confusing me even more.
What are you thinking, guys? It seems as if we're struggling so much in deciding what to do in this activity. And the reason is there's too many options. If that's the case, then how much will you struggle in deciding your career? How will you pursue your dreams and face the challenges and other obstacles that is standing as a barrier between you and your dream? Think about it.
Have you decided your career, Riti?
Yes, I have decided. My aim in life is to become a doctor and serve the needy people, and I am determined towards it. As a doctor, my first priority will be to ensure the safety of the patient. If I become successful in it, I can bring happiness in the life of those helpless persons who are suffering from disabilities by giving them medical treatment, taking away their pain and sufferings, and giving them hope, which in turn will also make me happy. Therefore, I think this is the best way to serve the humanity and the nation. What about you, Vinita?
Me? I'm gonna be a future pilot. I will explore the whole world. I like traveling faraway places. It has been my cherished desire since childhood to travel high in the air and visit different places and watch the beauty of nature. This interest of mine led me to choose pilot as my career. And do you all know how I was inspired? I was inspired by Aisha Aziz, the youngest pilot of India. She showed that age is not a barrier to achieve something. By the way, what's your aim, Mathli?
Actually, my aim in life is also to become a doctor. According to me, the life of a doctor is a noble life and I admire this profession. If I become a doctor, helping the helpless will be my duty and practice. As a doctor, I will try to produce best medicines at cheap rates and will promote the health of the patients. As I know, to become a doctor is not just a cakewalk, but I'm having confidence in myself to finish the course and achieve the targets. But you know what? The competitions are discouraging me as we live in a competitive world which follows the survival of the fittest aka, the law of the jungle, where the weak is crushed by the mighty, and this makes me less spirited.
Yes, and also the COVID-19 pandemic has immensely affected the educational systems worldwide, which is creating a profound impact on students' life. It is forecasting shadows in students' further life as it is affecting the competitive exams adversely. The future of many students is uncertain.
I understand your difficulties, but this is something which is not in our hand. The only thing we can do is to work hard with determination and courage. We should have confidence in ourselves. If we have this unshakable trust in ourselves, we are already one step closer to our success. And you must remember that the world's greatest achievers are those who have stayed focused on their goals and efforts. So never stop learning. Enough about us. What about you two, Anusha and Jyoti?
My aim in life is to become a singer. I love singing and listening music, and nothing is more rewarding than the pleasure I get after singing a song. Singing is my passion, and now I want to make it my obsession. I believe that I can become a unique singer with unique voice. I never skip my practice because practice makes a man perfect. I want to enchant and thrill the listeners of all ages. But
what's the matter, Jyoti? You look so tense.
But my parents does not approve of it. They does not consider it as a career. They considered it as a hobby with no monetary benefits. They think that it is not a promising career as very few people get chance to become famous in their field. By the way, what's your ambition, Anusha?
I want to set up my own business because I don't want to rely on others for my needs. My aim in life is to become a great entrepreneur. According to me, earning money from our own business gives us a privilege we do not get while working under others. Therefore, I don't want to work under others. I want to become an independent woman who stands on her own feet. As a businesswoman, I will not only earn money for my living, but also make a living for others. This is my dream. Do you know what, Jyoti? At first, my parents were also against my decision and forbade me from doing so because they thought it was too risky and wanted me to walk on the path they had set for me. But I never took that in a wrong way. The more they wanted me to lead this career, the more I wanted to do it. But now they support me wholeheartedly because I have proven my worth to them. So Jyoti, don't give up on your dreams. Don't lose your confidence. You must show your ability to your parents and your passion for singing. Then they will surely support you.
Thank you for your advice, Anusha. Actually, from the very start, my parents were against my decision. Therefore, I was afraid. But now, I am not afraid anymore. For I have removed negativity from my mind. I have decided, no matter what, I will stick to my dream. Because this is my life. I will show everyone how beautiful the life of a singer is, which he designs for himself. And I will prove my parents that singing can also be a career by which a person can lead a successful and proud life.
That's for certain. To become successful, it's not only the hard work, it's the passion that will get you there. Along with this, career plan is also a must for everyone. talented individual in order to become successful and to create a better future for themselves. But as the saying goes, it's easier said than done. Therefore, saying alone is not enough. We must take actions to implement it. We must take the first step, which is essential for one's success.
But what's that?
The first step is to forbid the use of mobile phones for unnecessary purposes. Although it is very helpful, but we should not misuse it. We must use it for gaining knowledge. Not only I will say it, but I will also do it. I have deleted unnecessary apps from my phone. From now, I will work hard towards my goal with full dedication and consistency, and I am sure I will achieve success.
That's the spirit.
Hey guys, what about the MSc activity? We totally forgot about it.
Now, I don't think there will be any problem regarding this activity, nor there will be any problem regarding the career. Do you also think so?
पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भाई चल पड़ी